Most of us have either had a green or a red non-veg gravy, but in today's video I'll be taking you to a very special place where the gravy is almost black in color. It's gonna be a day of happy eating and a lot of tears. Because it is Khandeshi, it will give you a punch. I am outside Hotel Khandesh and it's located in Pashan. I put the location link in the description as well. Without further ado, let's go inside Hotel Khandesh and check out the ambience. So I was here almost 1.5 years ago and a lot has changed. They have this lovely seating outside and the inside section has changed a bit as well. So as you can see, there are different seats here and we have chosen to take the corner seat right here. So Adrian and mom are right here. That's Adrian and that's mom. And guys, I'll show you around. Look at how big this place is. So in case if this section is full, you can even go outside and be seated outside. Now there's this surprise place here as well, guys. So if you have a look here, there is a beautiful low seating arrangement with a lot of frames on the walls. So this right here, guys, has changed so much. The last time I was here, it was very different, and as you can see here, people are seated there on this low seating arrangement. This is the family section. So in case if you want to come here with your family, you can be seated here as well. A lot has changed here at Hotel Khandesh, and even the menu has changed. It's got this beautiful colors of orange and black. Alright, so guys, these are the timings and that's the address right there. Okay, so now we are here in the starters section. So in starters they have papad, veg starters, soup, biryani, lots of items. You can pause the video and check everything out. They even have chapati, bhakri. Okay, let's flip over. Non-veg thali. So these thalis are something which you need to try, and we are going to go for the special chicken leg piece thali. This is the one, and special mutton chop thali, one more. Okay, and there's a veg thali here as well. So in case if you are a vegetarian, there are vegetarian options as well. And what do we have here? Veg main course. So those of you who are watching from outside India, this is all written in Marathi. Okay, so this is the chicken section and these are the chicken main course. So they have so many items here. Khandeshi special chicken curry, lots of Khandeshi items. As I mentioned, you know, we are interested in the Khandeshi gravy. So this place is called Hotel Khandesh and it specializes in Khandeshi cuisine. Alright, so that's the end of the menu. While we were shortlisting what we need to order, this place literally got packed in like 10 minutes. So we are going for the special chicken thali, the special mutton thali, the chicken dum biryani, varan bhatti and veg biryani. As we keep making videos in Pune, I guess the quantity of the food increases, and that's for only one and only reason. I want to show a lot of variety in the food, guys. So when you are here, you know exactly what is in store for you. Okay, now we've gone for the leg piece special chicken thali. So as you can see here, as I mentioned earlier in the video, they have this beautiful looking gravy which is almost black in color, and we have gone here for the bhakri. So you can go for the bajra bhakri, you can go for the jawari bhakri, you can even go for the chapati. Multiple options are available here. So if you also see, there is this beautiful Indrani rice. This has to be one of our favorite rice in Pune, or in fact favorite rice anywhere. Look at the texture of this. This is so sticky, and this is grown on the banks of the Indrani river, which is close by to Pune. It is so yummy. Okay, so let me keep this. Okay, and let me also show you the huge piece of chicken in this gravy. Okay, and along with that they have given some other chicken gravy here as well. Okay, and now let's move over to this section. Now this here is not something which is Khandeshi, but I really wanted to show you guys this dish. This is the chicken dum biryani, and we have ordered this n number of times at home. We just live close by here, and these guys from Khandesh, they don't even charge anything extra for the delivery. So if you are in the vicinity, you can order this for 140 rupees. This chicken dum biryani is totally worth the money. It is tasty, and along with this you even have the curd and the gravy. Okay, now this is something which is new for us. This is the varan bhatti, and while we speak, we have the veg biryani here. So as I was saying, this is something which is new for us. I don't even know how to eat it. I'll figure it out. And here we have the mutton chap thali. So as you can see here, the ribs, guys, I've had this before. It is so damn good. And in both the thalis, you can see here we have the alni soup, the Indrayani rice, and here we have these little crisps as well, and we have the onion and the lime, and here we have some more curd coming in. Okay, so these are all the items: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, veg biryani is here. So this is for our veg viewers. I wanted to show veg biryani as well. So guys, so much of food in front of me, and I will start tasting this one by one. So let me just start with the chicken special thali right here. So as you can see, guys, just look at this gravy here. Just look at the texture of this gravy. This is made from onions and garlic and different sort of things. They put tomatoes, they roast it on the pan, and then they grind it, and that's how they get this beautiful looking black color. It's mixed with a lot of spices, by the way. It's going to be spicy. Wow. So damn tasty. The flavors are so unique and so good, but because it is Khandeshi, it will give you a punch. It is a bit spicy, not very spicy, but this bhakri here cuts the spice. It is so damn good. Okay, now let's try this with this chicken gravy here. So this here is a different kind of a gravy. It's more on the thicker side. This again is some black gravy as well. And look at the generous amount of chicken that's there in the gravy. So this is a bit thicker, as I mentioned. Super impressive. The gravy is thick, and also the flavors are so damn good. Okay, and this, as I mentioned earlier, is the Indrayani rice. So guys, I like to dip this a bit in the curry. Such good flavors. I can taste the ghee, and this is a sticky rice. We've spoken so much about this rice in our previous videos as well. This is such a hit, guys. You have to try this when you are in Pune. Okay, so this was the special chicken leg piece thali. Okay, and these are the crisps. Very nice. And onion and lime. Okay, now let me move over to this side, and in fact let me keep the chicken dum biryani that side and try the mutton special thali. So this here looks like the jawari bhakri. So as you can see here, the color is different, and here we have the kala mutton gravy. Again, very good flavors, and I will squeeze a bit of lime on this because it will obviously make the flavors better. And just look at the huge pieces of chop. So these are ribs, also known as chops. Let's try this. So look at all the meat that we have here, guys. Very soft meat here. The flavors are incredible. Very different to the regular thalis that we are used to. The red rasa, the white rasa, tamda rasa, panda rasa. This is black gravy, guys. Taste is very different. Okay, now let's taste the mutton from this gravy. Again, all those lovely flavors where the condiments and everything else is all grilled, and that's the reason why this Khandeshi cuisine has a very distinct flavor. Okay, now, okay, I missed one thing. This is the alni soup. Wow, this again is amazing. It's light and it goes down really well after you take bites of all the meat here. Okay, now let me move over to the chicken dum biryani. Now guys, all this food is obviously going to be had by all of us, and it's still going to remain. We are going to take this home, so I'm going to be a bit quick. Now what is the most amazing thing about this biryani is look at the grains of rice and the flavors. I've had this so many times. We always order this biryani at home, and like always, they never let us down. Look at the huge chunks of chicken here. So this biryani has a lot of masala, but then if you want, like today I didn't want too much masala. I had to specify and mention that I don't want a lot of masala, so he has customized this for me. As you enter, you will see a huge vessel which has the biryani in it. Amazing biryani, guys. Just for 140 rupees, it is worth the money. Okay, now let's move over here. This is the varan bhatti. So the right way to do this is you have to crush the bhatti, and this gentleman here, he is the one, Ajay, who is our guide to Khandeshi cuisine, because we are new to this. So I've crushed this. याच्यावर टाकायचं ना हे चम्मच नहीं. Okay, so he's mentioned that we have to mix this and put this. So we are obviously going to have a bit of this because there's a lot on our table. Okay, आणि हे पण टाकायचं सब्जी. Okay, okay, so this is with brinjal. So let me mix this with my hand. So he's got a call, he's going there, but let's try this. I see why you have to mix all of this. That's when all these lovely flavors blend and this tastes so great, guys. Okay, wow. So I'm enjoying this Khandeshi cuisine ride. Now what do we have here? We have the veg biryani. Okay, so in case if you are here to have the veg food, because I know in the Khandesh region there are a lot of vegetarians as well, so I'm going to taste this for you guys. Just like the chicken biryani, look at the grains of rice, guys. So long and they look so good. Oh, surprisingly, even the veg biryani tastes so nice. And here they have a little bit of veggies. I can see some beans mixed with some masala. Wow. But what stands out for me is the prices here, guys. All these things are priced so low compared to the other restaurants, and the quality and the taste is superb. Just fantastic. So guys, that was a short review of the food that you get here at Hotel Khandesh. And in case if you are anywhere around Pashan and if you want to taste something different, I highly recommend this restaurant to you. This is my, I don't know, maybe 6th or 7th visit, but my second video here, and I see that they have raised their standards. The ambience is great. The food quality has even gotten better since the last time. Last time I was here, the food was very spicy. That's because actual Khandeshi food is spicy, so they have mellowed down the spice level a bit for someone like me who's from Mumbai, or if you're from other places in Maharashtra. If you want to enjoy this food which is a bit low on the spicier side, you're definitely going to enjoy this. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, stay positive.